Family chef. Local and foreign foods available at Family Chef. Abasan to a diabo, Adriane Papa. Family Chef. Yo mutu.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my wonderful people. Family Chef greeting from me to you. If today is your first time, warm welcome to my channel. Let's cook plantain. Okay, let's wait for this oil to become hot. Let's sprinkle a little bit of salt. Okay, just a pinch. The oil is hot, so let's put the cocoa in. If today is your first time, warm welcome to my channel. Please stay with me until this video ends, okay? If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel for me, okay? For my retained subscribers, thank you so much for following me every time. For my new subscribers, welcome to my channel. My name is Family Chef. Nice to meet you. Okay, now you can tell our plantain is cooked. I have my towel here, all right? Let's put a paper towel here to drain the plantains. Plantain to get all the oil, the excess oil out, okay? When you look at fire, let's grab our olive oil. A little bit go in here. This is different way to eat plantains, yellow plantains, okay? I have few ingredients here: onions, spring onions, bell pepper, any color you want, and tuna, canned tuna. So the onion goes in. This onion is gonna brown for 1 minute. I'll let it brown for 1 minute, then I'll add the bell pepper and the onions. Alright, it's been 1 minute. The onions has fried nice. Put the pepper. Pepper fry 1 minute. I'll add the spring onions. A little bit of salt. Shake of salt. That's it. Let's add spring onion. Let's add a little bit of tomatoes. It's your choice. You can leave the tomatoes or add it. Any veggies to your choice. So white onion, green onions, bell pepper, and tomatoes. That's going to cook for 1 minute. Then we'll put the rest of our ingredients and the spices in. Let's add our tuna. Yes, tuna. If you don't like tuna, you can put any fish you like. Pink salmon, chicken, shredded chicken. Okay. I'm going to crack the egg and add the egg. Okay. 1 egg. Okay. Let me take this out. That white thing, I hate it. I hate. I'm gonna take it off camera. Okay, let's add our egg. One egg. If you think you like too much egg, you can put one more. The egg and our peppers and onions is mixed. I have 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for heat, and I have Family Chef seasoning. You can use any type of seasoning your choice. This is going to go for 1 minute, then our mixer is ready. Okay. Okay, now if you look at here, our mixer is ready. The peppers, the onion, the egg, and the tuna. And you have this in your pantry. Oh, okay. All you have to do is just take one plantain in this, squeeze. Okay, then you take it out. So this is the shape you got. Okay, someone might ask, if I don't have these two, well, that's the problem. You can use tapoli. This is one of the fancy food Bolivia people they eat. Okay, create your own fancy food. You can create your own fancy food because we eat it with the highest level. A new way to cook fried yellow plantains. All right, this time, if you like really delicious, comfort, succulent food, you can put a little bit of sprinkling of cheese, all right, and stick it in the oven. If you don't, you can just put it, if you don't have oven, you can put it back here to the pan, sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top. Okay, you put a little bit of cheese on top and cover it. That's what we're gonna do. We'll put some, I'll leave some without cheese and I'll put some with cheese. Like I said, if you don't like cheese, don't put cheese. All right, okay. Okay guys, this is the end of the fried yellow plantain. Different way, different style, unique way you took your fried plantain to the highest level. Don't even fry plantain and eat it with beans all the time. Trying to create your own food that will make you happy when you see the food. Let's sprinkle a little bit of green onions on top. Oh my god, this is the one I put cheese on. Okay, like I said, you don't have to put cheese if you don't like the cheese. You can just leave it like that with the tuna and the bell pepper, everything. Because the plantain is fried already, when you put your mixer in, that's it. You're good to go. Because you fry the plantain already. The plantain is cooked. The cocoa, yellow plantain is cooked. And your mixer, your bell pepper and everything is cooked too. So you are good to go. Okay, look at how pretty it looks. If today is your first time, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, for my old subscribers, thank you so much for following me step by step. Okay, this is the end. Next week I will bring more videos. All right, you know, family chef, I always try. So which one I should try, the cheese one or the plain one? Let me try the cheese one because I love cheese. Going to bite it and let you know how it tastes.
Family chef,